If you need to edit individual elements inside a grouped object in LibreOffice Draw, the first thing you need to know is that ungrouping is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to ungroup objects in LibreOffice Draw step by step so you can separate shapes, text, and the graphics and edit each part on its own. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice launches, open the Draw document that already contains the grouped objects you want to edit. This could be a logo, a diagram, a shape layout, or any design where multiple items have been combined into one group. After your file opens, look for the grouped object on the page. Now click the grouped object one time to select it. When it's selected, LibreOffice Draw knows you want to work with that entire grouped element. This is an important step because you need the group selected before you can separate the items inside it. If the object has been properly grouped, you should be able to access group options from the menu that appears when you right-click. Next, right-click on the grouped object. A context menu will appear with several options. From that menu, hover over or click Group, and then choose Ungroup. This tells LibreOffice Draw to break the object apart into its individual components. Once you click on Group, the grouped objects will separate immediately. At this point, each shape, text box, or graphic inside the original group can now be selected and edited independently. That means you can move one piece, change the color of another piece, edit text separately, or adjust the layout without affecting the rest of the design. This is especially useful when you're working on presentations, diagrams, flyers, or any document where you need more control over each element. If you click away and the objects are still behaving like one item, just make sure you actually selected the group first before using the ungroup command. In most cases, that right-click menu is the fastest way to do it. And once the group is broken apart, you can make all the edits you need. So to quickly review the process, open LibreOffice, open your Draw document, select the grouped object, right-click it, go to Group, and click Ungroup. That's all it takes to separate the objects and edit them individually. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice tutorials, beginner guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.